let's see our problem set related to first chapter and first question, that is choose the correct alternative answer for each of the following questions. So here it is MCQ, multiple choice question, means there are four answers given and you have to select only the correct one. So read first one. If yum, that is 1 3 5, yum 2 4 6, then what is yum intersection n, means common element which belongs to yum and also in yan. Then see which are in both, then 1 is only in yum, then this 3 is not in there, 5 is not there, means this empty set. You know the property of empty set. Empty set is a subset of every set. So if nothing is common in two set, that time this empty set is common. So here yum intersection n is empty set, means our C option is correct. Then see second, P is set of all x such that x is an odd natural number. Odd natural number 1, 3, 5, then 7, 9, dash. These are the odd natural number. But here see condition is given. X that is greater than 1 but less than or equal to. It is less than or equal to. This means x is greater than 1 but it is also less than or equal to 5. So see here 1, 3, 5. So 1 is given because this x is greater than 1 and less than or equal to. So only 3 and 5 is the correct answer. So say in which it is 3 and 5. So this option D is correct. Then third, P is the set of 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9 up to 10. Then what type of set P is? Then what we say about this set P, whether it is null set. Null set, you know, empty set means nothing is there. Then infinite means not countable. Finite means we can count the elements of the set, and none of these. So this is finite set because there is only 10 elements. Then yum union n equal to 1 to 6. Means here union is given. Yum union n, that is 1, 3, 5, 3, then 4, 5 and 6. And yum is 1, 2, 4. Then which of the following represent set yan? So you know, if yum is 1, 2 and 4, then what is yan? So if you take this 1, 2, 3, then see yum union yan is not 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. If you take this, that time 1, 2, 3, then 4, 5, 6. So this B one is correct because if you take this 3, 4, 5, 6, then say it's union. Union means element which belongs to A and A or B. So say 1, then 2, then 3, then 4 is Indian, then 5 is also Indian, and then 6. So correct answer is B, that is 3, 4, 5, 6. Then see fifth, if P is subset of yum, means every element of P is in yum, means yum is larger or bigger set, then which of the following set represent P intersection yum? So you know P union yum, that is yum because P is the subset of yum and P intersection yum is, that is which answer is here correct? So this first A is correct because P is set of P is subset of yum, means yum is larger, and P union yum, that is C. P union yum is yum because yum is the larger set and P intersection M means common. So common element is P, which is in M. So answer is A, means P. Then 6. Which of the following set are empty? First one, set of intersecting point parallel line. So you know two parallel line never intersect each other, means there is nothing. So our first answer is correct. Then think about BCD, set of even prime number. So you know set of prime number means 2 is least and even prime number. So it is singleton set. And you know month of English alpha calendar having less than 30 days, means February means 20, or if leap year then it is 29. Means here something is there, integer, there is 0 which is greater than 0 but less than 1. So all elements contain 1 elements, but this A is means set of intersecting point parallel line. So parallel line never intersect each other, so it is empty set. See second example, it is also MCQ type, means 4 answers are given, you have to select the correct one. So which of the following correction is same? So here said A option is colors of rainbow. So you know colors of rainbow, so it is well defined. But other tall tree in the school campus, so it is not a well defined object. Rich people in the village is also, you don't know how many rich people in our village, so not defined. Easy example in the book. So we don't know how many examples which is easy for us or for other person, so it is also not defined. So correct answer is colors of the rainbow. Then which of the following set represent n intersection w? So student, here n is natural number. So you know natural number 1, 2, 3 dash means number which are starting from 1, means counting number, and w means whole number, that is 0, 1, 2 dash. Then tell me what is the intersection, means common element which is in natural and this whole number. So this natural number is a subset of whole numbers, means each and every natural number is in W. So which answer is correct? See here, this is the natural number, means 1, 2, 3, 4 dash up to infinity. So A is correct answer. Then P, how can we read this? P is a set of all x such that x is a letter of the word Indian. Then which one of the following is a set P in listing form? Means when you make list, then C, I, then N, then D, again I is written, then A, N is written. So I and D A. Say in which it is? In B. So this B is correct. Then fourth, if T 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 and M 3, 4, 7, 8, then what is T union M? Means all the element which belongs to T or M. So see 1, 1, 2, then 3, 4, 5, then 7, but 8 is not in it, so it is not a correct. Then it is smaller set, so not a correct. Say 1, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. So this C is correct answer.